Hey guys, welcome back to another tech report, and today I'm going to show you how to make your boyfriend, girlfriend, mother, father, brother, sister, or anyone in the family cry. That's right, you want to make them cry. I'm going to show you a great gift idea that'll make them so emotional they're going to cry. Anyway, it's a great gift idea nonetheless, and it doesn't cost you any money, and you don't have to gift wrap it. All you need is a computer, and that's about it, or even a mobile phone. So what is this gift? Let's take a look. Thanks for joining me, guys. Now, what inspired me to do a video like this today? Well, it was my mum and dad's 50th wedding anniversary, and I wanted to find them a gift that's a little bit different. Also, I wanted to find them a gift that kind of brought out some old emotions, maybe some old memories, something to do with their past, something that they can remember their history together. I started looking for clues. I started digging around the house and looked around. I couldn't really find anything old. I was hoping to find maybe some old trophies of something, or I don't know, some memorabilia that they may have had together, but I couldn't really find anything. My parents' house is spotless. I thought, how about I look in the basement? I snuck in the basement, and there's all dust and junk everywhere, and I'm digging my way through the junk and the dust, and I came across this old box. A box that had a whole bunch of their photo albums from the 70s, the 60s. Some of them were black and white pictures in there, and it was really cool. And I went back up and I asked a couple of other members of the family. I said, what do you reckon if I grab a few of these pictures, I scan them on my computer, and we make a really cool slideshow, and then they can watch it on the big TV with some nice music in the background. Man, that'll really make my mum cry. So I thought, okay, cool, let's do it. So I snuck the photo albums into my car, brought them back home, rubbed off all the dust and everything, all the grime that was on the cover. So I started scanning all the best photos that I could find. There's hundreds of them, so I couldn't really do all of them, but I probably did about close to 50. I picked all the ones when they went on holidays, and some of the old black and white ones. I'll show you a little sample after this anyway. And I found some really cool piano music to go with it, and a nice big text of happy 50th wedding anniversary. And I did it. So did the whole slideshow. Probably took me a few days. Jumbled a few pictures around and some cool music. And now the day came of the big day, and I put the file in a USB stick and we plugged it into the TV. As soon as my mum saw the first couple of pictures and the music, man, she started crying. She was bawling her eyes out. It was good. It was awesome. It was a great experience. Not to see my mum cry, obviously, but it was just good to bring up that emotion in my parents. Something like this would be a really great idea. I thought, how about I share something like this and I tell the rest of the world that they can do something like this, especially if you're coming from a home that doesn't have a lot of money, or you can't afford to buy anything, or you don't even know what to do. There could be an older relative in the house that's been around for years. They've had pictures stashed away that they haven't seen. If they see them on the big TV with the current technology that we have, with music and slideshows and panning and zooming, that'll really bring up some emotions. It'll be like watching their life in a movie. So yeah, I mean, which brings me to this point of the video where I actually want to show you how you can make your own slideshow if you were ever to do the same thing for your family. Let's get back onto the computer there, and I'm going to show you two ways that you can make a slideshow. One of them is an online way and the other one is an offline way. Let's go. Okay guys, this is one of my preferred ways of doing it, possibly the online way, and you need to go to a website called Slidely. That is slide.ly. Once you get to the search result, simply scroll down until you see slideshow. Go ahead and click on that. When you get into the website, you'll be prompted to either register or register with your Facebook account. I've selected Facebook account simply because it uses my Facebook pictures to create the slideshow and I don't have to upload any of my own, which cuts a lot of time off. But you can also click on this button and upload your own images from the computer. I already uploaded these 4 samples as I showed you earlier. I'll just select them again by clicking the plus sign. And then I'm going to select a song that I wish to play in the background. You can either select one of their songs or you can upload your own MP3. I already pre-selected an MP3 which has got some nice piano music, and I will select that by clicking the plus sign, and your slideshow is now ready to go. Let's preview what it looks like. You can also select one of the predefined themes that I have available. Let's have a look at the zoom theme. Next. Once you've gone through all the themes and you're happy with the one you selected, simply click on Save My Slidely, and then it'll be ready to share. People will be able to comment, like, share, and so on. If you're not entirely too happy about having your pictures online, then you can have an offline version. Simply search for EasyVid in Google and go to the easyvid.com website. And scroll down to EasyVid for Windows 2010. It says 2010, but it's been updated since then, so don't worry about being too old. Scroll down and click on the download button to download your own copy. Once it's downloaded, double click on it and install the program into your computer. Once it's done, you can either double click on the icon that'll be presented on the desktop or simply search for EasyVid in your search bar and go ahead and click on it, open the program, and the next thing you want to do is select the pictures that you want to insert. Open up the File Explorer. I'll be using the same 4 pictures as before. So I'll just select these 4 and simply drag them, drop them into the program. You can also right click on the pictures for some extra functions like pan and zoom. And then we go to audio and select a song. Okay, I'll go for that one, and now we can press play and see what it looks like. You can also add some text by clicking on the T button. Pick the type of font you like to use. Change the background color if you wish. Also, you can change the text color and click on Finish. Now this will be added to your slideshow. And that's pretty much it. Once you're happy with the results, click on Save Video and the File Explorer window with open with its location, where you can just simply play it offline locally with your favorite media player. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below, who do you think will benefit from a video like this for their birthday, anniversary, or anyone in your family for their special day. Thanks for watching. Till next time.